Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how to create HTML page. We need a file with the extension .html, test.html. We'll open this with our notepad or any other editor. Suppose Dreamweaver. File has been opened. We'll start to write. For HTML file, doc type HTML. We'll start the HTML tag to know the page that is the HTML. Start end. We'll have title, this is tutorial, this title. We'll write the head, we'll write our body. In body, we'll have our main content. In head, we'll have our style sheet or external CSS link or JavaScript link. In this body, we'll write something. Hello world. Now we're gonna execute this. We'll click and we'll see. Hello world we got in our browser. In here we'll write our style, end. Suppose class cover. Red. We'll set our color, class color. We got red color. So first we'll have our title, then head, starting, then body, starting. In the body, we'll have our main content. In head, we'll have the style sheet, CSS, or other external link. A title, that is the page title. Look at. This is tutorial page title. I write in the title and I can see on the page title. Now I'm gonna show you how to create table. Table start, table end. Here, this is our column. In this row, Here, table row, table head. Suppose A, B. Now we need another table row. CD, CD, CD. Table row, suppose 1, 2. We can copy and paste 3, 4. We're gonna test A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. The header of A, 1, 3. 1, 3. First one. Second one, the value of second one is second value. We can set here border with 100%. Now I'm gonna show you how to include image. We need image tag, source, this is our image. We need this path, source, set the path and file name. This is our image. We can set here with height, with 10, height 10. Too small, we can make this large. Thanks for watching this tutorial.